I'm Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have another P.O. Box unboxing. We received a box from our kind viewer, Thomas. We've been expecting this. And Thomas, I have a feeling this is probably not how you left it when you dropped it off to be sent. We were a little surprised when we got it and we saw this plastic wrapped around. It looks like it had opened up. It feels very heavy, so I'm hoping nothing fell out. We're not really sure at what point in transit this happened, but it looked like it had a little bit of a rough ride. So yeah, we're excited to open this up and see what Thomas has sent us.
Yes, we are.
Thank you so much, Thomas. We've been anticipating receiving this and we're so glad it arrives safely.
Yes, thank you, Thomas. Greatly appreciated. Thank you.
You want to go ahead and get some of this plastic off?
Okay. So it looks like the box was breached. But, oh, that's very full.
Yeah, there's a lot in there. Wow, you really managed to pack a lot in here. So let us know if anything happens to be missing. It is very full, so I'm hopeful that everything made it despite being open. And I'm not sure whether it ripped open or did customs get into it. I'm not exactly sure.
Not sure, but just peeking inside, I'm sure you're going to be very happy with what I'm seeing so far. Oh, and I cut the note.
Okay, so we do have a note from Thomas. It says, "Hi Tina and Ross, I mentioned in one of your videos that I would send some items from the UK. Always wanted to do this, so I hope everything has reached you and intact." Well, we're hoping that everything is okay. Hope some of these items are new for you both to try. I bet they were. P.S. Pot noodles need boiling water and follow instructions. They are okay and just thought something different to try. Cheers, Thomas. Thank you so much, Thomas. We are excited to see what's in this box. We've just peeked in and saw some fun things in there already.
Yeah.
Get that.
Sure.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, looks like I damaged. Looks like I cut these open.
Oh, no. Okay, so we can blame Ross for that one and not the post office. Crisps, cheese, and onion. So, wow, yes, there's a lot of stuff packed in here. And I think we're probably going to be tasting in some other videos, although maybe we'll taste that one right away since Ross accidentally cut through it. But
yeah, I don't believe we had this brand before.
no, I don't recognize that. So that's really exciting.
Very curious to try that.
And what else is... Yeah, these might be a little bit crinkly, but the good thing is I'm sure they're going to taste the same.
Yeah.
So even if they're a little bit munched down, we will be able to taste them. So this is Disco's cheese and onion flavor. That's another one. I think I've heard of the brand, but we've never seen this. Okay. And another Crisps ready salted.
Nice.
Ooh, loaded fries, seaside salt and vinegar. So I love salt and vinegar. And that reminds me, we've had something from Daiso that were like the fries that were really good. Our Japanese import store, and I really like those.
I remember those, yeah. Was that a butter flavor that you had?
Yeah, that was really good. Ooh, light and melty prawn cocktail skips.
I know you love that flavor.
Yeah, that's another one of my favorites. Wow, I don't even know where to start. There's so much in here. I can't believe it, Thomas, what you fit in here. Fox's Melt Viennese chocolate.
Ooh. Yeah. Now, have we... I don't recall if we had Fox's before, do you?
I think we have something we haven't reviewed yet. It's by Fox's, but it's in a round tube or round roll. It didn't look like that at all. Yeah. I don't think I've seen these.
These look really good.
Yeah. And here's a picnic bar. Another one I think I've heard of, but have not seen.
Multi-pack bar.
Munchies. So I'm not sure what those are. Looking forward to that. Yeah, I think we're going to get a couple of videos out of this.
Yeah. Munchies from Nestle.
A drumstick. Kind of looks like a little lollipop.
Yeah.
It's just my guess. Drumstick squashy, sour cherry and apple flavor. Oh, and there's even some drinks in here. Oh, a Fanta? Fanta or Fanta? I've heard it pronounced both ways. But I just remember there used to be a commercial that said Wana, Fanta. At least here. But
I remember that too.
And I know we have our own. That'd be kind of interesting. Maybe we should pick up some of our own.
Do a comparison.
And we can compare to see what it's like, if there's any difference.
Yeah.
I'll grab, I see another drink here. Old Jamaica ginger beer. Ooh, that one looked like it almost didn't make it, but
Close.
nothing spilled.
It's still
So
open.
another ginger beer. We do love ginger beer, but that's a brand we have not seen.
Jamaica.
Oh, and some Percy Pigs. You probably saw we tried some Percy Pigs in another video, but they weren't these. They were like little, I forgot what they called them.
Tails, pigtails.
We have pigtails, but then we have like little small ones too. They weren't like the big Percy Pig heads. These remind me of the Fred Ferkels. They look a lot like the Fred Ferkels we tried from the German food box. And lots of little bars here. Fox's Classic Original. So that's another one. I'm not familiar with that bar.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember if we saw foxes at Touch of Britain or not.
We saw the biscuits.
Biscuits.
Those are the ones that I have picked up that we haven't done yet. But they're definitely different from what Thomas sent us. A couple of Lion bars. I think these were ones we did sample. We really liked them. So much appreciated.
Yes, thank you.
Raspberry and coconut ruffles.
Oh, that sounds really good.
Yeah. I feel like they might be. Here's another one that you can tell it got a little broken, but I'm sure it's going to taste. It doesn't feel like it melted, because that's another concern. We had some unusually warm weather, but I don't think it has melted. So this is a Bounty. I think those have coconut. That'll be one that Ross will really love. I'm kind of okay with coconut. I'm gonna give it a try because I do like the flavor, but sometimes the stringy kind of gets to me.
I think it's fine. It's a trio, 3 little bars.
Oh, you might be right. Okay.
Yeah, so it's
Oh,
fine.
good. Yeah.
Yes, the bounty isn't intact.
Mr. Kipling, though, we're very excited. You probably saw we got to try Mr. Kipling some pies for the first time. So
Love
these
those pies.
are Viennese whirls. Those look really good.
With raspberry jam.
Yeah. Oh, those look tasty.
Those do.
This box looks like it's had a rough time. Even our other Mr. Kiplings, even though the box looked okay, I remember they had the top of them kind of wore off. So.
But they tasted good.
Yeah. And here's Fox's Jam and Cream. So more biscuits there. Raspberry and vanilla. That looks good.
It does. Cool.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and here's the pot noodle, chicken and mushroom.
Yeah, I don't remember us.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't remember us seeing this in our Touch of Britain
No,
store.
I've never seen anything like this. It reminds me like of our cup of noodles a little bit. It's a little bit interesting to compare that with what our cup of noodles are like.
Yeah, I think there's another one there too.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, pot noodles, original curry. Oh, that'll be fun.
Yes.
Now, I've seen in some of our Asian stores, they'll have these noodles with curry.
Right. So we have chicken and mushroom here and original curry.
I feel a little bit of residue. I feel like something, I don't know if something broke open in here, but nothing like majorly, but it's a little,
Little something, something.
little something. Ooh, beef and tomato pot noodle. That's an interesting
I don't think I ever.
flavor, because we have beef flavor here in cup and noodles, but I don't think we have beef and tomato.
I don't think we have either.
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Oh man, I see so many different videos we can make out of these.
Oh my.
Here's another squashies. These kind of look like gummies. Raspberry and milk flavor. So I think these are, so those are cherry and apple. We have those in a couple different flavors.
Yes.
And here's Bourneville fingers. So are these kind of like we had the Cadbury Dairy Milk fingers?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that's kind of, these are Cadbury too, or are they just like dark chocolate biscuits? Because the other ones we had were milk, right?
I believe so. Yeah, I believe you're right.
Yeah. All right, there's still more in here. So we have, let's see, try to straighten out this bag. Walker's Quaver's Prawn Cocktail.
Yes.
You know, I'm gonna be excited about prawn cocktail. See, a few more crisps. Disco's Salt and Vinegar.
It's actually kind of like puffy kind.
You're right. Yeah. And another Disco's prawn cocktail. Lots of prawn cocktail.
Love that flavor.
Love that. Yeah. Let's see. And I think we got another picnic bar, I think. So we'll be able to have like one each.
Cool. No complaints there.
Oh, we recognize these little guys, actually. The Kinder Happy Hippos.
Yes, we do.
These are ones we do actually find in some of our stores. I really love Happy Hippos. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
They're some of my favorite. Of the Kinder sweets, those are probably some of my favorites. And I also see something else. Did we try some of these from our British Candy Box?
What's that?
Subscription Poppets.
It sounds
It
familiar.
looks familiar, but I don't recognize all these flavors. Like, here's a minty Poppets.
It sounds familiar.
It sounds a little bit familiar, but yeah. And here's orangey. And toffee. So those look really good.
Let's do that.
And a few more of the drumsticks. And a Turkish Delight. I know some people have been asking if we've tried Turkish Delight. And not this particular kind. We've actually had the regular Turkish Delight that's not this fries version. So I'll be curious. We'll finally get to try that.
Yeah.
And more chocolate bars, looks like. Here's Fox's Classic. Feels like they might be maybe, or maybe they're cookies
Hard to tell.
or biscuits. Yeah, find out when we open up.
Curious?
Oh, and here's a little crunchy bar. This is like one of my favorite
Yes.
chocolate bars we've tried so far. Oh, and here's a Kit Kat Chunky salted caramel popcorn.
Very curious.
You love
Try.
Kit Kats, and I know another viewer mentioned these Kit Kat Chunkies, which I don't think we have here, not that I've seen.
Yeah, I don't believe we do have those.
Yeah, so I'll be curious to try those.
Yeah.
Oh, and here's another drumstick. I don't know if it lost its stick somewhere.
I'm sure we'll find it.
Yeah, we'll probably find it in here. And this looks, does it say Viscount?
Okay.
It looks like a peppermint patty. Not sure if it is. Or what we know as peppermint patties, dark chocolate and peppermint. We have Toffee Fay.
Yeah, you had those as a kid, right?
Not very often. I think we tried those in one of our German videos. Is this one made in Germany? I can't tell. Well, it says UK. So I don't know if it's a little bit different than the ones we had. We'll see. We'll find out.
Oh, I just had a sneak peek at something. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We love Tunnix tea cakes.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes, we love these. They look like maybe they're a little flattened on top, but I'm sure they're going to taste delicious nonetheless.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. There's like a hole. There were some major holes in here. I mean, I'm amazed that I so much stayed in here, actually, considering what happened to this poor box. Another Blue Ribbon Dark, or did we have another Blue Ribbon? Maybe
I think that's the first. I might
maybe,
be
yeah.
mistaken, but
I'm seeing another blue packaging.
okay.
Drumstick.
Blue Ribbon by Nestle.
Another one of these.
Oh, the peppermint patty.
And we have a few more little bars in here. Nestle Toffee Crisp Biscuit.
That sounds good.
More that I don't think we've seen.
Yeah, I don't recall seeing this before.
And Thomas, you were very kind getting two, so Ross and I can have one each.
Thank you very much.
And here's Toffee Crisp Orange. I feel like orange is a very popular flavor to combine with chocolate in the UK, whereas they do sometimes here, but not to the extent we've seen in the UK.
Like the Terry's chocolate oranges, the Smarties.
Yeah. Yep, a lot of chocolate orange. Another little crunchy bar.
Yes.
Love that. Ooh, and a third one. Sorry, fan, it's not going to you. And another Blue Ribbon.
I have, Blue Ribbon Dark. Love dark chocolate.
And we have a couple Frutellas here.
Yeah, have you had that before?
I know, I was trying to look. It does not look familiar. It reminds me of other things that we've tried, but I don't recognize this brand. So we'll have to see about that.
Okay.
I mean, they remind me of kind of like the same size and shape as a Starburst, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. And another Toffee Crisp Orange. And finally, Rocky Caramel.
No, I don't think I've seen that in our Touch of Britain or...
No, I don't recognize that either.
Or Cost Plus World Market. I don't think we've ever had a Rocky.
Yeah.
Caramel sounds good.
Yep.
Never complain about it.
They all sound really good.
Fuel for big adventures.
Okay, so we're just going to sample this one by itself because we can't quite blame the post office because Ross accidentally, as he was using the scissors, cut it. So we thought we better get into these and eat these.
Yeah.
These are cheese and onion flavored frisps. So it says it's a frisp, not a crisp.
So we've never had this brand before.
No, I did not recognize it. Okay. So they did get kind of the little small pieces, but
doesn't affect the taste.
Doesn't affect the taste, right? You gonna try to boot me? Boop.
Mm. Love that flavor of
the onion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they always have a nice onion flavor that comes through all the different cheese and onion crisps that we've had.
They do.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, those are nice and crunchy.
And they're not greasy.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
So are these baked? Kind of reminds me of the chips we had when we did our first crisp buddy. Those were cheese and onion, weren't they?
Yeah, those were the Walkers. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, those are good. So let us know, what is the difference between, it says it's a frisp, not a crisp. So are these baked? I can't seem to see on the packaging whether it says that or not. We're just noticing it seems a little bit less greasy than some of the crisps we've had. Mm-hmm. So yeah, those are tasty.
Yeah, like them.
Great flavor. We love cheese and onion.
Yes, we do.
Of course, I'm really looking forward to those prawn cocktails because that's definitely, you can't find anything like that here. So, Mm. Mm-hmm. So we're enjoying these frisps, and we look forward to trying more. I believe we have a few more flavors of the frisps to try, as well as some other crisp brands. So be looking for those in an upcoming video. Nice. So that is our unboxing. We're going to be figuring out how we want to sample these for some future videos because we have a lot to go through here and figure out how to sample all these. So again, thank you so much, Thomas. This was so kind of you. Sorry it arrived in this condition. I don't know at what point this happened, but I'm sure they're all going to taste wonderful nonetheless. And, you know, as we mentioned, that a few of these we have tried, but I feel like the majority are things that we have not tried.
Definitely. Yeah. Very curious to try all these. Yes, thank you, Thomas. Thank you very much. This was very generous of you. Fantastic selection. Really, really appreciated. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we really look forward to trying all of these.
Yes, we are. It's a little overwhelming.
Yeah, it is. I'm thinking, whoa, where do we even start? But this will be exciting. And then interesting stuff like the pot noodles. You know, we didn't expect anything like that, so that will be really fun to try, and also a couple drinks too.
Yes,
definitely fun. Really nice variety.
Yeah, nice variety of the savory and sweet. Mm-hmm. Just where to start.
Yep.
So much.
So be looking for some upcoming videos where we sample some of these delicious treats. And if you like food unboxings like this for our P.O. box or one of our subscription boxes, food tastings, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.